What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Now, Susan desperately doesn't want to be in it. All right, so we are in Lake Charles this morning. It is Tuesday. We are on another tire removal job, as you guys seen in the last vlog, but that was for that property. This is for a tire shop, and we have got 3,000 tires to remove from the shed. Today we're doing 300. We're filling this 26-foot U-Haul up. We got 2 trucks now. We got one back on the job site over in the Ritter area, and then we got this truck now until tomorrow. But we're gonna try to, let me see that. We're gonna try to get as many tires as we can this week and get this job done. But he's got a lot of tires, so we're gonna work on getting it done. Well, he said 200 to get today, but then he waited till I got here to say he had 3,000. But anyways, yeah, and then after we're done with this job and we offload these tires back to our property, then we've got to go back to the job site we've already been on this whole week, or last week. I'm hiring another hand to come on and help, and so we can get that done, wrapped up today, and then get back on this tire job for the rest of the week. All right, we're putting a good dent in it already. We're at 178 right here. Ugh, that's a big one. 178, 79, 80. I think we can fit about a little over 200 in here. All right, we are loaded up. Not even an hour and a half, 2 hours. This thing's loaded up. And then look at this. We got all of these tires, man. A whole shop full. This is insane. This is, he told me it's like 3,000 tires, but anyway, we'll see how this goes. We're done here for today. All right, guys, we got paid. Look at that. If you're wondering if you need to get into junk removal, you need to get into it. Not in my area, but you know, in yours. All right, as y'all can see, we're in a really nice rig today. We are in the F650, the one that I wanted from the start, but these trucks are only available for a one-way trip, which is what we're doing. So let's roll. This one is 10 times bigger. It's just not like in here anyway, and the hood and stuff, not in the back. Very nice though, a lot more luxurious than driving the other one. I like this. Not her over here just counting money. All right, that is the start of our morning, guys. That is the start of our morning. I'm grateful, blessed. Another lunch. We're just stopping here, eating here. We're eating chicken sandwich. I don't know what it is. Chicken salad. Chicken salad sandwich. Bus. And then we're headed to the property. We figured we'd go ahead and get lunch because then we don't have to stop or, like, you know, go back to town for lunch or whatever. Go ahead and get an early lunch, and then we could be on the property all the rest of the day. So, yep. All right, figured I'd give y'all an update real quick. We are back at this job. We are having some difficulties with the company that I'm working for that has rented this truck. They actually were supposed to extend the reservation because all of it's through them. I'm just driving it, and they forgot to extend the reservation, and now the truck was supposed to be back today, so now they're paying late fees per day, I guess, but they've got to return it today. So this job's got to be concluded today, and now we've got rain. And we got bad rain coming. And we're just trying to finish this up. We got our scooper helping us out here. You spill beer everywhere. But I guess if we don't get this finished today, then they don't want us on this job no more because they have another one coming up. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. It's kind of sucking at this point. We out here, you guys. It's raining, but we got to get this stuff done today. Got all of this done right here, all of this done right here. Dump, don't take food, so we leave that here or put it somewhere, throw it in the garbage, whatever. He's working on this area right here. I got another guy on the way. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. Today, I told him not to come out initially because it's raining. but it ain't raining too bad, and we really need the help. I got to get this property finished today. The truck's got to go back today. I mean, there's just no questions about it. But we only really got this zone right here to do. Clean up this trash, a little bit right here, a little bit around the corner. I think we got 2 generators in the back, so I'm about to go grab those right now. All right, guys, we're getting it. Filling it up. Got this whole area clean almost. Well, my luck would have it. Look at this dang thing stuck. Oh, I'm so glad I brought that shovel now. Yeah, if we can just level that out, throw that concrete in there, we could probably get it out. This day is going to crap. Hey, man. On the other hand, let me show you guys what we got here. Uh-oh, he got out. There was a snake in that bucket. Oh, he's gone now. Oh, well. 3 snakes. We done found one over there, too. I don't know. It don't look low enough, but I'll try.
I don't know if I should put that there.
I don't know.
Let's try it.
My. I told the company I'm working for that with it raining out here, that it could get stuck. But they didn't want to listen. They want me to do it anyway. No.
Hold up. Hey. Hold that. Hold on.
Yeah, Harry, there you go.
Try now. No.
All right, well, we got it out. Had to dig a hole. Pretty much you get stuck like that in a hole. You want to dig it flat on both sides. You can go back a little bit and throw it forward. Back to it. All right, guys, I just brought my help back up here. There he goes right there. This was not good because on the way up here, I slipped into the mud and it was about right here, and I bottomed out and dragged the whole bottom of the truck through there. So I'm hoping I don't do that again. I'm filming just in case, man. Things get a little crazy. I slid into the ditch twice now. Not the ditch, but the ruts, rather. It's super slippery. It's like I'm just sliding right here. There it is. Oh my God, there it is. Oh, I don't know about getting that U-Haul through here. Oh my, oh, fishtailing. Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I'm gonna get stuck. Oh, I'm gonna get stuck. Oh, jeez, man. Come on. There's Delmer standing there. Oh, gosh. I don't know about getting either one of these vehicles out of here. Lord have mercy. That was rough. All right, well, this ain't been a very long vlog. It ain't been a very good one. This is just day 5, essentially, of us being out here. It was day 6, but this is gonna be video 5. Because we didn't really get to do much yesterday because of the situation from yesterday. But anyway, I mean, really, We got a lot cleaned up. Over there's cleaned up. That side's cleaned up. On our way home now in Behemoth number 1. Delmer got caught at a red light. Yep, we don't have entirely a full load on this one, but close to it. And still have a little more on the property to clean up. But, you know, we're kind of just coordinating with the company and doing what they want us to do. And obviously, weather permitting, I have both of my guys out there in the rain working. We're all soaked. My feet are soaked. They're cold. All right, guys, we are back home. Look at this. This is crazy. This is my driveway right now, bro. 2 26-foot super mover U-Hauls. This is just outrageous, man. But you know what? Look, like I said, both of these jobs are being used for 2 different junk removal jobs. Each one is bringing me in great money, and the trucks themselves are pretty, you know, relatively inexpensive to the amount of money we're making. So this one's for the tire jobs. This one's for, you know, the junk job that we're doing right outside of DeRidder, and both of them are being used efficiently. So, hey, you know, they're making me money, so can't sweat it, you know. Waiting for Delmer to back out now. Look at him over there. First time ever driving a U-Haul, and he drives a 26-foot super mover. He's doing pretty good. I'm gonna have him do that, and he's gonna pull here, which our storage area is right here for the tires. Have him come down this way, and I'll bring my truck back around, and then boom, we're good. Make sure to cut it really wide when you come right here, because you're gonna come that way. Let's get some footage for y'all. One day we won't have to use U-Hauls, you know what I'm saying? We'll actually have these trucks, or at least one of these, very soon, because I like using these box trucks for junk removal. They're pretty efficient other than having to unload it, but I know something I could do to where you don't have to unload it by hand. Now we're gonna go ahead and park this truck up here where I usually park, because this is, we're gonna be offloading at the dump in the morning. So this one's gonna go here. All right, we got the truck parked up. Hazards are on since we're on the street. I mean, we're on our dead end road, but still, just to be safe. Go ahead and open that up. Just be careful.
That could both be, I mean, turn back to the
It's so gonna fall. Hold on. Hold on. I had to turn my flash on. Just throw it up.
I can't.
Oh my, is it really that hard? Ah, that was anticlimactic. I thought everything was gonna fall. Let's get to work.
It was not.
All right, I'm having Delmer actually reposition the truck for maximum easiness. All right, so we're in a driveway right here. It's all growed up. Essentially, this trailer right here was given to me and my wife, and we was gonna buy it at one point. And this is a storage trailer, but it's too beyond, you know, damaged, whatnot, to do anything with. So we don't want it. That's why we bought a camper. And it's just a storage trailer. So this is where we're going to be putting our tires for now. And then we have 2 other locations as well. And then once we fill those locations up, I just have to basically pay a tire shop to take them. But it's about $1.50 a tire. See what he got. See if he can do it. I'm just ready to get these jobs done so we can get on to our next one. The company that we were subcontracted by is I got another contract coming up in Natchitoches, Louisiana. So we're kind of just waiting to see if they can clear that contract. We got to get this job done so we can possibly get on that one. But I'm going to be going to my certification classes So I'm probably going to be hiring Delmer to do everything while I'm gone, as well as hiring him some help for that week to just kind of run everything while I'm gone. He knows how I run things. So come on, Delmer boy, what you doing? Remember, this is, like I said, this is like first time he's ever drive a U-Haul. 26-foot U-Haul to start with anyway, so that's kind of crazy. But he's way off track here. He needs to come in at an angle to line it up right here. All right, we are almost completely unloaded. Well, let me show you guys this insanity. You probably can't even see it all. There is a mountain of tires right here. And the reason we throw them out here is because, for one, it's pouring rain right now. It's very dark in the trailer. It's very dark out here. There's no lights. And so we don't really want to be taking a tire in each, back and forth, back and forth. It would just take us a long time tonight. We have more daylight tomorrow and more time to actually come out and take these tires inside our storage building. And then we're good. But I'm telling you, I'm tired today, guys. Y'all seen it in the vlog. We went and picked these up this morning, knocked this job out in like less than 2 hours, and then went right back to that property, cleaned up the rest of that property, and now we're unloading this. So it's a lot of work for today, but it all pays off very well. So I'm happy.
You were always so good at being an actor, making it last just long enough. Playing a game you always won. You never even taught me the rules. You tried to break me down, put this all on me. Tried to make me out to be crazy, and I played along.
All right. That is it. Another U-Haul load down, man, down. I'm gonna ride on the U-Haul like a garbage truck driver, rider, whatever. And hopefully I don't slip off. Be easy with me on there. Look at all this. This is so crazy. Pretty soon, guys, we'll eventually have one of these for this business. These are only about $6,000 to $8,000 roughly used, and a 26-foot one at that. So I think these are excellent for this business just because of how much room they have. But if you need something like a dump system, you could always mount a winch here and create a pallet plywood system. Obviously it'll go over those, and when you winch stuff, it'll literally drag everything right out the back. Oh. All right, guys, that is going to be it for this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to slap a like on it, subscribe to the channel if you are new. There's going to be more content coming. It's not just going to be junk removal content. However, if you do like the junk removal content, slap a like on the video, show your support in the comments, let us know what you want to see next. Let us know, if you have any questions about junk removal, if you want to get into it, anything like that. We can do breakdown videos. We can just kind of bring you guys along and show you the process while we film for this channel. And there's going to be a lot more videos and content coming soon. Susan's already laid down, that's why she's not in the outro. I'm not feeling too well today. I'm feeling a little out of breath, really tired, overwhelmed. We got both of these jobs running right now, and we're kind of trying to conclude both of them this week because of my training certification coming up this next week for this main job, and it's just all overwhelming. But anyways, I'm trying to bring you guys in, trying to let y'all see how it goes, and also give y'all content at the same time. But anyways, I'm about to go to bed, so peace.